Walking down the alley of dreams, hand in hand like a movie scene. Whispered secrets lost in between, where we end and the stars convene. Caught your eyes in the neon glow, rhythms beating hearts in tow. Silent nights and voices low, with you I never wanna go slow. Lovers in the lights, dancing through the nights. You and me, we take flight, love blazing so bright. City echoes with our tune, underneath the silver moon. Our story written in June. In your arms I am immune. Running wild hearts collide, every moment a crazy ride. No more shadows where we hide. In your love I find my guide. Lovers in the lights, dancing through the nights. You and me, we take flight, love blazing so bright. Running wild hearts collide, every moment a crazy ride. No more shadows where we hide. In your love I find my guide. Lovers in the lights, dancing through the nights. You and me, we take flight, love blazing so bright.
Late night smooth lights, we sit and boast, throwing stories round like some kind of toast. Your laughter rings out in every mile. Keep it coming, baby, let's